the first application call to this university that we are talking about today has actually ended 22nd of February. So the second call is going to start by 1st of April. Okay, so if you look at this table right here, you can see that the application started 23rd of January and it ended 22nd of February. The prerequisite for the Bachelor in Music was this day, and the official result is going to come on 8th of March. Then the registration and enrollment into your courses is going to start 18th of March to 22nd of March. Then the second application call is going to start by 1st of April. This is why I'm making this video for you so that you get informed about this university that we are going to be talking about today in this video. Okay, so you should also remember that this university have the chance of giving you a scholarship, but I'm going to be giving you the detailed information in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because you don't know when I'm going to talk about this scholarship program that this school have. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I drop any video on this channel. Welcome back, guys, and I hope this video meets you well at this time. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this country in Europe that you can easily apply to, then you can also migrate with your spouse. Okay, so I am going to be giving you all the basic requirements that you need to know, all the documents you need to put together, and the tuition fee, proof of fund, everything that you need to apply to this university. What is the name of this university, and in which country in Europe is this university is? Okay, so first thing I want you to know is that this university is University of Minho and is a university in Portugal. Okay, so if Portugal is your dream country or you plan to move to Europe in 2023, then this might be one of the chances that you want to explore to move to Europe. Okay, so this university actually have program for international students who are coming outside Europe or outside the Schengen zone. Okay, so can you apply to University of Minho as an international student? Okay, so what they said is that yes, if you did not have Portuguese citizenship, you can apply. And if you are not a citizen of a member of the EU, you can also apply to this university. And if you are not legally living uninterrupted in Portugal for 2 years, then you are also eligible to apply. Okay, and if you are not on program of international mobility coming from foreign university, you are also eligible to apply to this university. And if we look at some of the programs that they have in this university, you are going to see that they have a lot of programs that you can actually apply to. Okay, so if I go back and click on the bachelor program, they have bachelor program, they have master degree program that you can apply to. Okay, this university have bachelor and integrated master program that you can apply to. They have bachelor in accounting, bachelor in aerospace engineer, applied biology, applied language, applied statistics, archaeology, basic education. All of these courses they have on their portal. Okay, so you can go to the portal. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video so that you can check out this website and see the course that you want to apply to, and also make sure you check the requirements thoroughly. Okay, well, we are going to be talking about general basic requirements that you need to apply. Okay, you also need to know that if you are applying for a bachelor degree program, then you need your SSC 12 years certification certificates for you to apply into the bachelor degree program. Okay, so if you are coming from a country like Nigeria, you must have your WAEC certificate. If you are coming from Ghana, you have your WESE. There are some countries that use the baccalaureate and the rest. Okay, so if you want to apply to the bachelor degree program, you must make sure that your secondary school leaving certificate is handy and is with you. Okay, then you must also have your international passport. You must have birth certificate, other information that you know it will be required. But when you start the application, you are going to see the full list of all the documents that you need to apply to this university. Okay, so if you also want to apply into the integrated master degree program, then you also need to know that you need your transcript to apply to this program, and you also need your bachelor degree certificate to apply to this program. Of course, you also need your international passport, your passport photograph, and other documents that will be requested from you. Okay, so first is that there are some universities that you have to send them email for you to start your application, but this university you have to start the application online. Okay, so if you want to look at the informatic engineer program, then let's say you just click on it to view the details of this program. When you click on this program and it takes you, you also need to confirm the location which the program is. So this program is actually in Braga, Portugal. Okay, and the main scientific area is computer science. Okay, so you also have the course director detail information here. Okay, so you can have the Portugal country code here to communicate with this person, and this is the email of the course director. If you also go to access, you can see now that there are 250 vacancies here, and the access to this cycle of study can be done through the following way: application for national access to higher education. So you can read all this information yourself. Okay, then entry requirements, entrance testing, all of this information you can find it here. So I'm going to drop this the link to this website so that you can go there and read more information. And if you need further assistance or support to apply to this university, you can check the description of this video. You will see a link to book a one-on-one session with me so that I can help you, or we can look at the application process together. Okay, so if you are finding it difficult, you can book a one-on-one session with me, then we can look at this together. Okay, so if you see assessment and accreditation, you will see that registry number of ministry, registry date, accreditation validity. Okay, so this program is actually accredited in this university. Okay, you must also know that if you are trying to apply for a master degree program, there's an application fee of €40. And if you are applying for a bachelor degree program in this university, there's actually a €60 application fee for you to apply to this university. And you must make sure that you legalize your documents. Okay, so in my previous video I've talked about how you can actually legalize your document. If you are coming from Nigeria, you must take your document to the Ministry of Education. Then after that, you have to take it to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Then after that, you take it to the embassy for the final step. Okay, so make sure you legalize your document if you are trying to study in this university. Though there are some universities that does not require legalization, just as University of Lisbon in Portugal, University of Lisbon does not require legalization of documents. Okay, and one other thing is that once you apply to this university and you get your acceptance letter or admission letter, you can actually migrate to this country with your spouse. Okay, but you must also make sure that you inform your course director about this in case they have preparation for people that are actually coming with their spouse. Okay, so make sure you get all your documents compiled together, your degree certificates, your transcript, your international passport, your passport photograph for master degree programs, and if you are doing your bachelor degree program, make sure you get all your documents also ready. Okay, so and also don't forget to check the proof of fund that is required for student visa in Portugal, so that you can also make sure that you have this amount of money in your bank account, because this is very, very important once you've got your application approved, then you are also going to start your visa application instantly. Okay, so most schools accept part payment of tuition fee, and some of them does not even want you to pay the part payment of the tuition fee until your visa is being approved. If you have any question, you can drop them at the comment box so that I can give this channel. Okay, so I want to see everybody make progress, and if you have any question, like I said, don't forget to drop it at the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people that are looking for information just like this. Okay, till then, I will see you in another one. Peace.